Hey everyone, let's get straight to the point. Data is the heart of artificial intelligence. If AI is the brain, then data is the blood running through its veins. Without it, nothing works. First, data is what AI learns from. Imagine trying to ace an exam without studying or even knowing what's on the test. That's AI without data. Data gives AI the examples it needs to figure out patterns, make predictions, and even correct itself when it gets things wrong. Second, the quality of data is just as important as the quantity. If you feed an AI bad data, you get bad results, plain and simple. Think of it like cooking. Fresh ingredients make for a better meal. Clean, accurate data helps AI make smarter decisions. Third, data helps AI adapt and improve. The more data it gets, the more it learns, and the better its performance becomes over time. It's like practicing a sport. The more shots you take, the better you get. AI learns from every bit of data, constantly getting sharper. Fourth, data brings diversity to AI's knowledge. If you want AI to recognize faces, you can't just give it pictures of one person. You need a wide range of examples so it can understand differences and similarities across the board. The broader the data, the smarter and fairer the AI. Fifth, data helps AI spot trends humans might miss. We deal with information one piece at a time, but AI can process tons of data all at once, revealing hidden patterns or insights that we might never notice. That's the secret sauce behind things like personalized recommendations and fraud detection. And finally, data gives AI its real-world power. Self-driving cars, voice assistants, and medical diagnostics, all of them rely on massive amounts of real-world data to actually work. Without that data, even the most advanced AI is just a blank slate. So let's recap. Why is data so important in artificial intelligence? It's what AI learns from. The quality drives accuracy. It helps AI improve, brings diversity and fairness, reveals hidden patterns, and powers real-world applications. Next time you hear about a cool AI breakthrough, remember, it all starts with the data. Keep feeding your brain just like AI, and you'll be unstoppable. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and keep learning with LearningHub.